healing. This could really bruise too, hey Danny? Bruising doesn't hurt. It just looks horrible.
You scared me.
Did I scare you?
Yes.
Why?
Because you said bruise.
Oh, whatever. Bruises don't hurt.
Yes, they do.
No, you're full of shit.
I'm tender.
You're tender. You're tender my ass. Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes, darling. Give me a nice deep, deep, deep breath. And out. Perfect. Good girl. You did really good.
Thank you.
Sorry if that pinched a bit, okay?
It's okay.
Okay. Now, you need to open this up a little further so that it's a little bit easier on you, okay? You like that idea?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, me too. Alright. Does that hurt? Does this hurt at all?
Mm-mm.
Sweet, because it's in.